Hi. Hi, Ashton. You ready for some cream of broccoli soup? Yeah? You seem to like it. There's big chunks of broccoli in there. First time you've ever had big chunks of anything. You seem to be okay. Hope it's not too much salt for you. You're kicking your feet off a lot. Does that mean you like it? Does that mean you like it? Yeah? Do you want more or not? No? Is that enough for you? It's a big chunk of broccoli in that one. You okay? Yeah? Okay. Okay. Do you want more? Do you want more or no? Are you done with it? Too salty for you? You want some regular baby food? Do you want more or not? No? Okay. That's good. I'll give you some regular baby food to top it off. But that was a good start. Good job. Good job. That's my boy. That's my boy. You did good. Say mama. Say thank you, mama. Thank you, mama. 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 What, you ready for our next bite? Get you. Get you. Get you. My pretty boy.